Hey Bruno, how is it going? I don't know, does Louis look pregnant? I don't know. Let me see. Do you have any tits? Nope, no tits developing. So I don't know how it's going for you, Bruno. Good luck with that. Anyway. Hey Chiara. Hey Pia. Alright, so now it's a little bit more quiet. So we have made some changes. Teebo has left us and gone away with another lady that gave us another dog. So we basically just changed dogs. We took her dog and she took Teebo. And her dog is named Sonic, and here he is. And yeah, she saw my video and saw that Teebo was very calm and relaxed dog. And she had this hyper dog. She thought maybe we can change dogs. And that's perfect because we need hyper dogs. Hey Sonic! He's trying to eat the camera. Don't eat the camera, please. Oh, yeah. He's a little bit hyper. This is a young dog. 1.5 years old. So a little baby. A little baby. Hey! Ta det lugnt. And don't eat the camera, please. So yeah, he took Teebo's place. And I think it's good. I think he would fit in here much better than Teebo. I like Teebo. He looks strong, but hey, shit, you're a troublemaker. I can see that right now. You're a little troublemaker, yes. But don't make trouble with me. Hey. I don't know. People say, let the dog kiss you, they're clean in the mouth and whatever. But I see what these dogs eat and what they sometimes do with their mouth, so I don't like the kisses in my mouth. Even if it's supposed to be super clean and everything.
Lick inside your mouth. This is perfectly normal for them, and this is what they do to one another on a daily basis.
Yeah, I don't know if I believe that. Yeah, he really wants to make out. Yeah, you're not shy. I'm a good kisser, trust me. You wouldn't like it anyway. I'm just joking, I'm like the best kisser. Look at his lips. No, so I really want to go out today. Try the new dog, try Sonic, see how he runs. But we have almost no snow. It's a big problem right now here for us. It's what the fuck? Don't Nate. Go in. Okay. Nate. Oh fuck! Yeah, he's a troublemaker, this one. I'm used to our dogs, so just chill. They don't escape. Come there. Don't be like this. Yeah, it's good when I'm up. Så, ja, duktig. Sluta. Trying to escape, really. Duktig pojke. Ja, duktig pojke. So, don't run away. It's a pain. And you're fast. Yeah, you have a very fitting name, I must say. So don't do this. Okay, this time. Hey, don't try it. Don't fucking try it. So, okay, I was talking about the snow, right? Yeah, we have almost no snow. It's a fucking, it's a big problem, really big. It's the 15th of January, and it looks like this. It's pretty bad for us. Hey Manfred, Assar. Här, gå in. Hey Manfred, what up? Oh my. Yeah. Our dogs are a little bit crazy. Ta det lugnt, ta det lugnt. Så ja, så ja. Ja, and there. No, don't jump on me, please. At least you don't want to kiss me. Yeah. Do you have pee on your face now? No, he's clean. That's good. No more pee. Oh yeah, there. Surprise kiss.
Drink a little water, feel a little better. You do what you gotta, babe. Breathe a little air. Bring life into your muscles, instinct for a living man. However, there is one thing you're all forgetting. But endless morning will turn to night. And when you're dreaming, you will be seeing a little demon dancing around. Baby, there is only one way, and that's to slow decay. Get a little earthy with me. I'll pull you down like rain. So tired, I can tell from your shape. Feeling sleepy, yeah, you can beat the slow decay. Saying life, it is confusing longer if you're choosing right. Read between the lines, it doesn't really matter. All that we possess is time. You know it's funny how you keep running away from slumber, although you can't. And when you're dreaming, you will be seeing a little demon dancing around. Baby, there is only one way, and that's to slow decay. Get a little earthy with me. I'll pull you down like rain. So tired, I can tell from your shape. Feeling sleepy, yeah, you can beat the slow decay. Baby, there is only one way, and that's to slow decay. Get a little earthy with me. I'll pull you down like rain. So tired, I can tell from your shape. Feeling sleepy, yeah, you can beat the slow decay. Baby, 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 get a little, I'll pull you down like rain. So baby, 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 get a little, I'll pull you down like rain. So
I must say I'm quite happy with Sonic's performance today. It was not a long run, only 9k, if even that. I was going like full speed from the beginning, didn't really hold the dogs back and anything, to be honest. Just to have fun. I know that you're supposed to think about that, but today it was a short run, so why not have fun? Sonic got a little bit tired in the end, so the last 3k we went quite slow. You can also see that he's not really used to being in a dog's slaying team like this. He was a little bit confused and he got scared a couple of times, but I think he will do well with time.